Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Raya Box number 1 puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey. Difficulty level of the Raya Box number 1 is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to put all parts inside the frame in such a way that no parts will be sticking out. When you saw the puzzle in the first place, you saw that there was a piece sticking out, but you have to find a way to put all of them inside so none of them will be sticking out. There are 3 L-shaped parts in this puzzle and 3 square parts. And what makes it quite challenging is that there is an opening here that doesn't allow you to move the parts inside freely, so you can put the L-shaped piece like that inside, or maybe you can put it like that. But when you put it to the left, for example, there is no way that you can move it up or remove it. You have to slide it not just here, but to the middle to remove it. Or if it is like that inside, you still have to slide it to the right to remove it. So it gives some restrictions, and that makes this puzzle quite a challenge. The Raya Box number 1 is a part of Raya Box series. There are 8 puzzles in this series. All puzzles are made from the same materials: Venge, ash, sapele and acrylic. All 8 puzzles, even though they may look the same, they have completely different solutions, where many of them have different parts, different shapes, and each puzzle is a great challenge, very interesting to solve, and you will spend quite some time figuring out the solution. There is a logo of Yavuz Demirhan engraved on the bottom of the box, as well as the name of the puzzle and number in the Raya Box series. If you like the Raya Box number 1 puzzle and you want to buy it, or you want to try some other puzzles from Yavuz Demirhan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.